In this video, we show you how to get started with Journey Designer. Use Journey Designer and the underlying applications, Lifecycle Events and Journey Accelerator to build end-to-end experiences for any moment that matters to your employees, such as onboarding, offboarding, promotions, or leaves of absence. Lifecycle events coordinate cross-department tasks, such as approvals and signing documents. With Journey Accelerator, you create templates for department and team-level activities. You bring all the components together with Journey Designer to provide an end-to-end experience with input from the organization, department, and manager. As a bonus, you can capture employee feedback and create omni-channel learning experiences by integrating the listening and learning post applications. Let's take a tour of these applications, starting with Lifecycle Events. You can create and configure the workflows behind an employee journey using Lifecycle Event Builder. You create activity sets and populate them with activities for HR, IT, employees, and managers across the enterprise to complete as needed for the employee journey. For example, we could add an order guide to our onboarding process so managers can select software for an employee, with IT tasked to fulfill the order before the employee starts. Now let's look at Journey Accelerator, which you use to manage simpler groups of tasks for supplementing a journey. With plan configurations, you add sets of stages and task templates to a journey based on audience, such as this one for users in Brazil, and for users in specific departments such as sales or development. Here are the stages defined in this scenario by the week or month and task templates for each of the stages. You assign owners to the plan configurations, and those owners manage the templates in the Employee Center. We assign Beth from the sales department as the owner, so she can manage the task template in this plan moving forward. After you're done creating the Lifecycle event, the Journey Accelerator plan configurations, or both, you can set up the journey. Let's look at one that we've already configured. Here we identify the source or sources of the journey, as well as the journey type and source types. We specify the capabilities of the journey owner, most likely the manager and the mentor, by setting permissions and enabling them to add quick links and personalized messages. We may also define quick links and recommended learning to be included in the journey. Now your journey is set up and ready to be delivered to your employees in the Employee Center. We're logged in as Gail, a sales manager. She can create a new journey for one of her employees here. Back on the Journeys page, she accesses an existing onboarding journey for her new hire Abel and sends him a personalized message. You can now see how Journey Designer brings together the components you need to create personalized and relevant journeys that work across the enterprise.